Hi all, my name is Lee. Welcome back to the channel. So I've got an interesting little customer project here. I have no idea what the application for other than it's for beekeeping. So let me show you the dimensions. It's a simple steel rod with a press fit bearing. Let's take a closer look. So I'll start with a 1-inch steel rod. This section has to hold the bearing in it. It's a one-way bearing with a 20mm OD. And this section just fits into a drill chuck, so I'll make that around 10mm, all from a single piece of metal. I believe the bearing, I've been told, is actually quite long. It could be about 25mm. So this section is designed primarily to hold that bearing, and then this section just goes into the drill chuck. So should be a good little project. The main dimension I need to get absolutely correct is going to be a press fit for the bearing. So I'll make that around 19.9mm, and that should work for a press fit. So let's get on the lathe and cut this out. So that's the job complete. The customer's going to come round and I'll press fit the bearing in there. But it's a pretty simple job. Hopefully it fits all right. I'll be sure to ask them what this device is actually for with regards to beekeeping. So I'm quite intrigued now. So the customer actually changed the specification. It didn't need to be nearly as long as their first suggestion. So this is it now. That's a 19.9mm hole. I should be able to press fit the bearing into that. So it's looking good. So I hope you enjoyed this little video, and be sure to catch me on the next one. Cheers for now.